Peace Council for more Ashanti region hwɛ nim sɛ mabuna wɔ hɔ nom so no ebetimi ene ɔmayɛ adwuma.
Ye be gyina mu ɛwɔ nkran buprema ntɛm akɔpie mu awabobrohyi edwanam na adwadifo mtontonton wade ɛwɔ gala we nim potem ekyire mu sɛ wonima yɛ nte yɛsɛ aban bebubu hɔ nom nyina to agu ɛde bɛyɛ 24-hour economy market wɔn mo sɛ wɔn sra aban sɛ ɔmo mbre kakranka wante sɛ aban ɛmo mbe foforo nkɔtrante sɛ sɛ yutu no ɔmo mpene so ensɛm no pina na ka yɛsɛ nkonwa bɛsɛm mo sɛ enumere no nsia kase wɔ diero ha ne nsia ɛkyire pɔ enkron kasa fidie so na yɛ ka mo sɛ yankopɔ yɛ adoma on the 14th of August 2026 ebesi efiade ebaim DLFM morning show team no ye kukuru kasavire ya kopie mu wa prampram enti hyan ya wate efiri say prampram homo afa hye no bre na aduro no ye kɔ Friday we ya fiade ya na ye krom ya pa ontoma we ye pe de to so mienu be 15th August no eno be music and cultural display ene anwom be kɔ afi so afade ahodo abibiman ya na de kente papa bi no madu ofa matutu agusu na me ba enya semkuma ewo prampram afasha nase eno achi no de to so emiensa ene enan no ye kwa yensa ne dwuma de te de amade hye mbeba ka pre wuntua ntimdofo e umpe we na peka ye motom mobile phone na pese osua ye semina na pese osua ye bibia pese osua bia bra honom oba obenyensa ne dwuma de te kama we ka pre kura wuntua bienum sanso na gudie pi betodwa eye rap and singing competition enyomoto ene rap pa betumi rap sesa akodi anam efin so enyomoto ahoto eni nyina na artiste 9 beka ho a dwuma de we wa ma wa yo ho na de ma emu yada ne sei obi a wudigwa otonton nema obetumi akwa akɔtɔn nema no ene anadwumu ni nyina ye nna na obi adabi eye 24-hour economy na ekoso prampram de yakopɔ ya adoma efie da bai ekɔpem ne da toso eye aduasa 30th August na dwuma de betodwa na wɔtwe pɔrɔpɔrɔ mienu ntem ena prampram afa hyɛ na betodwa ntibu ahone yenkɔ wate na wankɔ bia obegyagya ho pam hyɛ ne sa dwuma de asumko we na ye fast trade ena afin so prampram na nana matenkunya dwuma de esi omo nanso am fast trade cultural and festival food and festival ena dwuma de we ye hyɛ omo asiem yakopɔ ya de betodwa ɛwɔ prampram Anglican Park bo ahone yenkɔ na fa hyɛ we oyi hu free man in fact wagya ho pa
Insu papa be adwama so obi agye atoma wonum bi eye Lumba nsupan nsu a wonnom a na wahyase na wotonyom na wo se wo ahusensuo no eye krojin ye papa pagana hane amananu nyina no anomagye atomun na oban kran pupni mantem hane ma ye wo so distributors bebre a omoto nsuo ni bia ofre wo ma wonsa ebetimi aka bi na oba DLFM ye premises sanso ye obi wa ha ye wo North Legon opposite Wisconsin International University oba wonsa betimi aka Lumba nsupani bi na sedodo ana ope etu aton dia ne wa frame penifo e was 0549889685 and 0549436616
adumre na ye ka mo say fair group band eto nsafro dwumade ben na wudi a obehia live band e wase fa kwadane fair group band ye ba ye besom so mpa kwan so pam ebia na o ba be wade wedding bi na ba be ya na anase engagement awade na wo wade dia woni ha okram eno wache nso ebia na o ba be ye wo fie watutu ani achi ni san fidie be na abehia mesrawo watu adi ne nyina ne say ye fair group band ye ba wani baje adwumadi ho papa ebi nso ana wudi wa woda birthday parties ahodo wo ya graduation church event ensori programs ahodo nyina no eni abade nto adwumadi bia obedi a obehia mfidie ye live band wase to nsafre ne ye pa ye besom so mpa kwan so papa de enti ayen ene ye besom ne nie ye wa quality sound ye wa professional instrumentalist mo nim bibia bonum nyum bia nso to ene ye sanso wa quality instrument e ba dwumadi asa medofo mfidie no e me bɔ no hwene wo hɔ no mokram ye bo nso da form pass na nanom enantem upe ye chi akwan a ye wotem community 22 Paulo so inside hɔ no ma ene ebutom ye homa trofo na 0242 965 391 0242 965 391 and 0541 149 741 when adwuma kwa nimere se yentena se na yemfa enumere no nsia ka se buru mu kiremu no emesem akenkanfo benu ayese nkunwa no edi ameje so yo wofa wase Adjoa de one at Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B mahutedin ane bantwere bona na otafri jamene
Adjoa Agyei Sikapa
ye dan ye ho ye pa ye de kasebo no ekire mankasa ebesem nansa na no me wo fast rose gold osidi ye kasebo no ye de bad dia
wadama eba na nsempatie amamu nsem di ye kasebo de hinta nyina aha ne pa hontama DLFM 106.9 kasebo no nie aha ne nyina yetie
DL News.
Yamamo akwaba afitu American Asia yen ewo Facebook and afi YouTube ne mfa kasebo no etiri mankasa ensamum. Ye sha kasebo na se e de from my Ghana. Asoya ehwe ye mfango ensensem eso. Metre eye National Petroleum Authority mpenimfo akache. Na Dr. Dramani Bukali ono ene openi pa abedi akire a wo hwe o my Ghana ye mfango ensensem so. Na nkra abetodwa ni mire ekire mi sei orei daya wansode watwe nani ahweban waye twidi ya mponyankopon edia na sesi amene okasei enya de ampanimfo ade nkrata aba bekire sei yade wei ene ku no ana sei tibia wei no okọ mumpo ansa na wowuo ti sesi amene okasei ne nya de a enkrata officially every asoye ne honom ana sei omanga na mpanimfo ho ede aba ekire kwan ya ofa so a openya ne din di Dr. Dramani Bukali wafremom na Dr. Bukali Dramani no ena no main oye Deputy Chief Executive Officer edema NPA yekire omai Ghana asoya na ehwe omai ye fango esensem so omai mu a na wonom eboa ahwese omai Ghana fango sensem bibia betimi akonka ne mo omai sebe ya ebedu baabi na fango dodo omai Ghana behia no yense betimi akra so na titiru ahyenkafa wonom de fango di omdwuma ene nipa hoto a wonom so behia fango de omdwuma no bibia be konka de ma wonom se amikese de watwe na ne de hwaban a waya twede amponyankopon ediam na mekase nka ne kirem se enya de ampanifo anhyehye bi ede abase ne anase tina no ye hwe ne mu se wonom ekwakusi na so mkwakwe na yi nanso no enche bia no omanga na mpanifo ne kata abeto bonten akirekire kwan ye fa so a openi ofirimu na afin so hyehye pa mpanifo begu akwan mu efa na ye na otwede hyehye nyina no ye hwe ne mu se enche Ghana ba mpani ene mpanifo be yi o man nyina na asutini se yi de make us say Deputy Chief Executive Officer at the National Petroleum Authority, MP, Dr. Dramani Bukali, Odaya, once a day. And to whenever was a man in May, Yansa Kai de Munchimo, Esomo.
Yantua Kasiabone so na driver and vehicle license a year authority for eternity FN said DVLA Eden Sem Atuja HM say Ashenka for 75% or muchi a year boat Uber any yango ekite be a fake bin so at the original no a summer was so mutimi eka ye papa asasam no a kwana air cost drivers be brain license ekita o me fake no more than nam kwine so or mudu edu some police for ne so na mu dodge sabo so no bi ni nam connect and portals mu kra ne obeba akofo esa so nim se license ekita no e fake and into hu eye MMTDs na chese or dodge nti o se omutimi eka sansem no bi e price and say e ade omoso monetary system no na de ababetu dwa HM sa hyenka fo bebre a omutwi eye bo tuba ne yango 75% die e ade omuni na license ekita wom e wo man Ghana mu no e fake.
You can use commercial license to drive for private, but you can't use private to drive for commercial. Because the age and the experience for driving commercial is different from private. Commercial is for 21 years, private is from 18 years. When we say Uber drivers, you know who I said. So you will ever very good riding in monetary system. 75% of the licenses are yet getting into riding. They're all fake. 75% of the drivers are yet checking on the license. They were all fake license. Which shocks the guy checking the 6%.
Enwechi ana CEO edema DVLA ekasa anoche mu sey na niswade hu so mbetimi ede abefo kwan so etimi asosa ohaw yare no ewo man Ghana mu.
What is my vision for DVLA? It's just to use technology to solve most of the problems we currently face in the authority. So it should get to a time you can sit in the comfort of your chair and use technology to process everything and come out clean. That is my vision for the authority. Take it to a world-class standard where technology plays a vital role in solving most of the problems over there. Recently, you'll be hearing of this issue of delinquency. People are complaining delinquency. It's one of the issues that we've used technology to solve, and this is the feedback. Now, before I got into office, when you go to DVLA for any services, it is up to the DVLA staff to select and deselect what you will pay for.
Uti CEO edema DVLA ye Julius Nikwe Kote.
Yantua Kasiabano Swe na yenyina mum the Ghana Center for Democratic Development etwaditia eka ne se CDD Ghana empenifo ade adesere atodwa echirem sem wanom besere oma Ghana ban eposifo ene wo mka biewom efa hoba monsem ho se wanom besere wanom ada omanyim yatoaba ewo mfempem mienu ene aduno mechire 2020 ene no achenom mfempem mienu ene adune nan 2024 aba 22 etodwa nansen no mu chirem sem nema pina akoso na ye basabasaye bepim samre enipa asabe omudi atuturasem enyinamra nsem kokontokwa eprepre bi kuku nipa ni bi omayi mu no ehon nsensem omen yantemi anka opani kirem se ade adea yatena oman Ghana ma de biada yebo asumdwe ho taguru nanso yeto apa na mentem ho aso ama ne homene so kakra na ntokwa akoso ne ye papa binim sum bobi mutuo ne ade age omokra afiri omon nsem bepim samna yakasai envise kakra ntamu nie no abato ahodo ayato a basabasa yakoso a nipa bi afem ahwere wono nkora bepem samre Ghana mpanimfo antumi ampa mpomasibre ankyere sei osimesi anaso obenten na sabe oye sanya mansem nti oma Ghana mra eso ne pachi edne kwakoto efiase open de sadu tudwamra wanom ene nsantwerefo di nkomo efa interparty dialogue jumede todwa ewa National Peace Council ena program manager edema security sector governance and afi local and urban governance edema CDD Ghana me wafa se Paul kwabena aburampa echirem sem ebusunya pi nenne abato atodwa ewo mfempim yenu ene adunum ana afi mfempim yenu adunum na abato mu no wo mahwere ma de hye wo man ene ya wo pa ne nkyina hye busunya yi fa mu nyatewa ebi na mabu ebi ne hwene ba ko awai ebi ani atu ewo abato ayeto no manyim bapem samre Ghana mpanifo antimi antenasio anhwehwem ahunu say yes osimesi ye de awonti ye nkyene nkwatum na abusana wera nkyekimpo yenya homuaye bia opani kirem say sabusuafo atenase namba made abu nkompo ekwahwe omachina mkase enti yato aba wo manyim amasabe medihia pranna mabuse panyim opani bia nka hwede a ye nka hwem yakopo ya adoma abato wofro besan ba bio ne yakwato aba ne de a yenso ya babode yakofuma obamode yakofuma twede da hyentomam eni abato na se beyire sabenta sasabi omanyim sasabi mpeni sabi de ya na wanka ho a de be yaw ne scientist ye de ayame na obi anka hwede ya to abafoforo bi a yenso be dia wu omanyim openi chemso mbesena Ghana mpenifo wo mmode ni pa bia omutu sa na mompone no hwehwe mapen na di na wona mche wo nkogina nkonte no mu nkonte ankyere Ghana fo sei eba ne se na yakoto aba akwapo obi so nkoye bampeni yakopo obi so nkoye mahye badwani keke no nkoye adwuma mo man mokwakonto kwakukum nipa ni santi Ghana mpanifo atu ho na mode a yemfo yenhye tirim sei abato afia ebai wa hwe ni ya na sa na momponi ebi be sense bio e wo manyim.
You can't have peace without justice, and people whose parents, whose siblings, whose husbands are affected are still in the system. They probably know people who committed the crimes. So anytime there's elections, it seeks to ginger them to retaliate. The only thing, as Ghana has a national reconciliation post our military regime era, people were not compensated, but having the opportunity to tell their story, they were satisfied. So we believe doing these investigations, bringing perpetrators to book. So even if we don't extract any compensation for their families, they'll be okay for telling their stories. So we believe that the investigations and sealing the challenges becomes paramount for investigative bodies to do so. We did a book against the British Council, and we visited the affected families in Techiman, and you saw the devastating nature. Some of them were breadwinners in their families, like the Techiman driver who was shot. We visited her mother, about 70 years old, and the guy was the person who was feeding the family. So you enter that house, and if you are not careful, your purpose will leave it there. We visited one person in the Doma West, the guy whose leg was amputated. She had a pregnant wife, an old woman that it was taking care of. When you go to such families, you will leave all your pocket money there. This is why it's important that Ghana looks into the issues, find lasting solutions, because anytime they mention elections, something bad comes to their mind. We need to do away with setback thinking to make sure that we find lasting solutions to the perpetration of such crimes and ensure that we don't revisit any of such bad memories when the election periods are due.
And wachi eno penny Paul Kwabena Aburampa. Echirema yɛmfa nto ɔman Ghana ban ane amanyɔfo anim nneɛma bi a moyɛ na ɔman Ghana mu yade a ɛhɔ ɔman da akye papa titiriw ene ekwa do machete na ɔman nyim vigilante na we ya tibia fa ha na amanyɔkuo bi akɔpa wɔ no ankasa ne ma bi sɛ we mu na ɔmyɛ amanyɔkuo na homba mmoku a yɛhwɛ amanyɔkuo no bɔ yɛ ho ban ene amanyɔkuo no mpanifo ka no mu di ɔmanim yɛkɔto aba na amanyɔkuo yɛ ankasa akɔpa wɔ no a ne kuo foforo bi mbɔ ɔmo ho ba homba mmɔ nsɛm ochirema asane ma we yakɔfa how pi ni nchoni ahyew de aba ɔman nyim a ɛde ɔman Ghana ho ba mmɔ nsɛm ɛto asanim enti ɔmba sere yakɔ yɛ no mu no yade ɛha ɔman titiriw na nsɛn kura abato ɔkura ni hɔ no no yɛtɔ ba wie pɛ na saa kuo yɛ bebi na akɔyɛ langas fo na sabi nsɛm hunu nko na ɛkɔ so muntu ɔmba sere amanyɔkuo ahoto no ɔman no wa posifo yɛ wa sojafo ɛne asrafo ɔman nyim ahomba mmokuo ne yɛ pii adentina amanyɔkuo bakɔpɔ no ankasa ni kuo bi sɛ wem na mo hwɛ ho ba mmɔ nsɛm so ɛno mmo ɔman Ghana ho ba mmɔ nsɛm ɛba ne saa pɛ ne de bia da wo ye ɛkɔ so okurom saa de bia de yɛ ne ma hunu no mentem wase ne ntɔkwa sam ɛba ne saa Ghana ho ba mmɔ nsɛm a yɛ pre de bia da yɛ bɔ ho mpaye no yɛn san kora so kora ɔpani kyerɛm sɛ ɛba ne saa pɛ na nnwuma a ɛsɛ aban yɛ na bɔhyɛ a wɔhyɛ Ghana de hyeɛ sɛ ɔbɛma Ghana ade hyeɛ nyina de yie no bɔ mu sɛ na saa de yɛ ne heyɛ we ya bɛyi Ghana fo nyina adwena firi so na aba na yɛ de ɔpɛ enti ɔbɛsra amanyɔkuo ahotoɔ saa mentem ho ase mumma ahodo mu twi fa montene so no divert mpenifo attention edifira mu nnwuma so nti munyai na Ghana fo ani nkɔ mpenifo no na bɔhyɛ mo hye no mu ni so na mo na Ghana ni atetenam enko nkan efa ma yɛn ɛwɔ mayim.
I think the topic given beyond the ballots, we've realized that as the 3 weeks again, when these frictions started, I remember in 2012, myself and Dr. Hosseini did special projects on electoral violence. Our conclusion was that it was targeted towards only election seasons, but it was deployed mainly through propaganda messaging. Fast forwarding, in the 2016 election, we saw additional wave where vigilantism became part of the pressure, where ballot box snatching became deepened, attacks and confrontations in the system. But all those 2 ways were targeted at election seasons. What we are witnessing now is the 3rd wave. I don't know whether we should have a 4th wave, where the political frictions have extended to post-election governance. So we are witnessing on ending political frictions across elections, across governance system, which of course is dangerous for us. As I did say, it stops governance, it diverts attention and the focus, where citizens should be talking about development, traditional peace in the country, suggesting opportunities for improvement of livelihoods, to be concentrating on personal assassination, attacks and criticisms, negative ones for that matter, we don't ignore any better benefits for our country.
Any awuti ye on a programs manager for security sector governance and local and urban governance. I was CDD Ghana. Nidin at the Mr. Paul Kwabna Abrampa and Amote Nini.
Enkani Yantua Kasiabone so na Enkani Minister of State or in charge of air finance Abna Osei Asarin. Eden Sem Ediato Yoman Penny John Dramani Mahamenim Chemusoye Shishimun Enfenfa Eka Ghana Gold Board for Abonehun. Na yet wa East Mashebejani on one soon a yotitneni Edemam Mashebejan Public Accounts Committee. Eka Saye Chemusa Osha Eka Gold Board for Abona. Natches a hajin papa panekobasa na chese omanga na esika sem so ha no eyade akwa ana ekoso nti omampani emomodia enhwe so betimi ayemu hwehwemu no de hyehye pa agu akwa mu na oman sika ne so no matimi abɔ ho ban no de nsemi editudwa ewa bra report beto dwa ne kyerɛ sɛ 1.7 billion US dollars ana chese gold board for ahwere no afri IMF for ɛhonom no chiema aban omomodia hwesan sɛ kobasa jumeko ahuduo bi sei etimi ebobobobo kasa na ebetimi aha omanga na ye papa esan se sika gold board for ahwiri krana kemu fa no ade anka Ghana for ebenya so emfaso a eba pomudin aso ye ne so a komo betimi edi bi ahyemu sane ebeyo metimi edi dwuma kese na mpunto so no etimi aba pomudin ho nsem so ewo man Ghana mu osan so ekasa ye chiemu se sika nem 6 billion Ghana cedis so no ade anka omo bomode ahesom de be recruit eye nurses ahodo no akọ aya yaresabe ahodo no mo so akọ ye adwuma sane ebe ye omo so benya akwanya no atimi anya sikade ego mbotom so no atimi ahwe mabusuafo na omo aboa na pomuden nsem so atimi akoso na sese ya se sika yi eye gold board fo atimi ahwe de na oman Ghana ye koya na ase ye baye enu nti wosra eye Ghana man pani so momode anfa hyehyɛ pa engu akwamu eye hwehwɛmu ahodo obetimi akoso ni na no momode anye no mbo a se ne ebe ya Ghana so ye sikasem no anya ade a ye betimi ahwe bio.
Another issue is this: BOG recorded $214 million as the loss. IMF comes, IMF is privy to all the data and everything and says, no, the loss is not $214 million as you recorded, but $1.7 billion. I'm asking the accounting firm that audited Bank of Ghana, I want to hear from them on this. So how did they treat the difference of close to 1.4 billion? How was it treated? That it cannot be seen in their financial statement for BOG to declare that they only made a loss of 214 million Ghana cedis. And then the IMF comes and says, no, that loss on gold board is 1.7 billion. So I'm also calling out the accounting firm that audited Bank of Ghana. They should come clean. We want to hear from them. We need an explanation of how they treated the difference of 1.4 billion. That is very, very important because here their credibility is at stake.
Enia uti ye Enkani Minister of State or ye in charge of finance or no so and ye tiwa East Mashebejeni or sansu yo titneni the man Mashebejen Public Accounts Committee a yon for Abena or say asari.
Yan toa kasiebon sway. Na yen free crab prematem fan infanchiremum. Ewa bono bantemnem and ye kwa kupiemu ewo brekum. Na desha mo brekum ne dwei. Wanu mo bua fu Britain. Adesha koboku jan edi bia bobo mo nsa ene omo hwene ntem ene omo toam echiremu a. Wanu ma tena krodia ne mo achepa. Na ebono ma je ne ho nyenне. Nanso ade ba ku bi o man gane ma hode na bi ni honom. Nanso nansen omo nim de asie ebi aba ho. Na ebi za mse na de na ekoso wo brekum ni importment ne mkoku apai. Emrantewa ene ma na matren kunwa. Ena de hye wo brekum kirem sei galam sei ede ene ewo ne ewo brekum ni mpotema ama sitinema ye den pa ede ma de hye mo mpotem honom na wode mu kirem sei wo hwe brekum ensase bide de honom a nanka boa pa amanka jakokofuo enubaya hodo atosode api na omudua bibia ko nka de ma wode mo pam na asase bide kama nanso ne enam koti kwan ya nipa bi enam so etufu magudie nteno ama mo japade wo mu nuba no mfudie nyina sei ya ama sesei ensuo kura hu sensema ye diama wonoma ama nkonta ene asetenem aye dempa ede ma de hyem ene dua na de hye wo moden ede krojanko ebe omuti etusire montene so ene eblekrum kuradua nim ene ekitine bencheye ene ye nko ye nko ene ye nchedo ye nchede obiala na uba Facebook ene fi YouTube in fact edaso na mngofasifu ani briblutam wale mu kirem zade adia Endi ya tena wa mahenga na musa mene galam sei etimi ade hene wa brekum ni potem diam wadamu ntiase na mu kirem sei ubohuremu ewo eye mamaso ekopiemu ewo ye benkasa ni potem diam sede galam sei ni tumri kantentem pa kwaso potem hono mo ne de aye hu aye so hu dios efisene wadamu nsuo akwaye ena finzo mumfudi nyina nipa bi nam kwati kwanso am wonom ese ne kwa nene oye kira ade hye ye obrekum no na asema daso ne se brekum say no to galamsey na za de jam wo brekum galamsey de ojugu ba bai mupo ye nya biom efrise nanka brekum de nim se nanka ye kuaye ho adwuma ne ye ntene akuafo ene mebu ne nkebom ko epi na atomugu montene so a oya kira wo maye na mo kirem se wo mosira abamrem na se de galamsey etete ade jam wo brekum no ha adwenye pam na chairman adema brekum citizens and afia associate eya mensa Nana opon boaten dati otoso emienu ejemre ene zantwerefo akaze kirem se onu kura yenso na yeda behene edema brekum nananam atrenkonwa ekirem se in fact ensem bi ha sesei wonu sase nyina yabasa asase bedi akane na komri bo moden adua na obaye so na bribre ne tesasase no wira ho udua bibi enye ena wonam wu kwa wafuo ma monchi monka sa na manfo didi galamse won sase ne so nyina enti amosira ban sɛ de brekum ho aye sese no ene yan enti aban emramum ade hye kirem sɛ na sɛ beto dwa sɛ eye atroni na matrenkonwa ebebo maden abebodua ekirem sɛ ebono regional minister me am wa fasi Joseph Atai akwabwa ne ho bon galamse mo pa visa papai galamse na ekoso no watwe na ni pastor sabe penin bone ya wayin from abedwam asa hwemfa ne ho ene wabɔ yɛn fitaa duku ene wati dwam sa na galamse yi amanfo to no left right both center sam enti obesre enim pa bia ne ho bɔ mu na ba modern amfrɛ no na ɔntwe na so fi sɛ de galamse ne tete ade hye mo wɔ bɔ ne potem no aha dwen pam nana opon boaten date a otoso mi ne nsɛm sei ato nsantwerɛfo anim.
The people of Bekum have a peculiar situation. We don't have enough lands, neither do we have water bodies. And looking at the nature of our community, we have to rely on the lands and the water for everything that we do. In the year 2022, there was a company that applied to mine here, and it was discussed at the Bekum Traditional Council. By then, we had Omahine Dashebre Dr. Mankradia, who was the president of Bekum Traditional Council. And at that meeting, it was agreed that Bekum was not ready for Galamsey because of our peculiar situation. And nothing has changed. Then we learned last year that some companies were coming to mine at Benkasa. We tried to stop them, and then there were other companies who started mining at Amomaso. These have caused some considerable damage and devastation to the lands at Amomaso and its environs. Now, if you go to Amomaso, people who are involved in vegetable farming are not able to undertake their farming activities because of the galamsey that is going on within those areas. If you see the kind of water, the color of the water bodies, and I think this is an example. People cannot use it for anything, and that is something that would not benefit Bekum community. The people of Bekum have a peculiar situation. We don't have enough lands, neither do we have water bodies. And looking at the nature of our community, we have to rely on the lands and the water for everything that we do. In the year 2022, there was a company that applied to mine here, and it was discussed at the Bekum Traditional Council. By then, we had Omahine Dashebre Dr. Mankradia, who was the president of Bekum Traditional Council. And at that meeting, it was agreed that Bekum was not ready for Galamsey.
Ai, omoje to mu se Bekum de nanka gala. Na wona mu pronounce wenne. Omo to no left right both center sam. Eni a wuti ye ona ye chairman Edema Bekum Citizens and Associates. Nana opon boaten date otosimi no kura ya nso na oye dabe hene Edema Bekum nananom atrenkonwa ena wote ne nkan.
Yentua Kasiabani so na National Peace Council for mu asantimante mu esrese imebunu no betimi aka omo ho se ne be ya modern bo mo so bosa ne be ya asumdwe betimi akoso e wo mantema hodo no e betimi atena hoda no mo sro mo omo ka bi owom se be ya komo mai imebunu no enye omo partner se ne be ya omo so ebebo yedie ene asumdwe hu dawro e wo eye mantema hodo omo so e wo na bra ya Ashanti Regional Chairperson e de National Peace Council ya Dr. Harriet Techi ene nsemtwofo etwetwe nkomo e wa bra training program ekoso e de ama peace ambassadors e wo abato mpesua so eye dumienu eno e wo mantem honom ana ochemu se e ya de amabunu bebre na e wo my Ghana mu no e boasa asumdwe ebetimi akoso na emomo hu se so mokoso abo mo homoden anom di mabunu ne so e hwom dwumadi omudim na omomo nimdie adwen ene nyasa hodon so so omoso betimi dia ye adwuma na e bebo ama asumdwe ene a Bible nsem so no etimi akoso e wo mompotem ye mantem ahodo ene o my Ghana nina na etimi aboa na ye Dr. Techi esan so ekasa ye echemu se e ya de National Peace Council for hwe anim so mbe yesa e ye training program ni nina bi e wo mantem ahodo eno so no e wo my Ghana mu se ne be ye mabuna ahodo ni nina so no e betimi abeye peace ambassadors no matimi aboyedie ene asumdwe hu dawro e wo man mu.
We realize that we have a lot of young people around, and it looks as if we don't understand them. We don't see their role in peace building in society. Fortunately, they form the majority, and therefore we realize that if we want to have peace in our communities, in the region, and in the country, then we need to stretch out to reach the young people, because when we get them, they are the ones who are going to help with the early warning and talk to their own colleagues, particularly because of the technological situation that we find ourselves in, so that they will be part and parcel of the peace building process. So we should see them as partners in the peace building process. And they should be trained so that they will understand the issues involved in keeping peace, ensuring their own personal security and peace, and extend it to their other colleagues or the other youth in society and in their various communities. Because if they are the majority, so if we get them to understand what peace is, their role as peace ambassadors, then we are more likely to get peace
DLFM,
in our communities, in our
106.9.
cities, and the country as a whole.
Eni awuti ye Ashanti Regional Chairperson na the National Peace Council Dr. Harriet Techi.
Yantua Kasiabon Sway. Ni free Dr. Harriet Techi nchen ni yanko jinemu abubrushi nka premantemum. Na adisha wanamo abubrushi edwanim. Titru no wanamo amoton niama Nzema market. Wamu kiremu say wanam basra ban pa. Say onsha boat kakra. Onye omo ho abotre kakra. Na aban pa bia yasunku bia ho na moson wai batre. Na dwadefo betumi atena ho na madigwa. Ansa na aban abetu wonom. Na de enti adwadefo yi asisa agina yi ene say aban adebosom baako ama adwadefo onom wo Nzema market. Ewa bobroshi market ni mu say wonom sra no mado papa pefi say sade yakro no baabi am do no ntone ama ne edwane kro no emfa o Omaya ho no munyina si one time ene efia dokoro mo pam ne senti Accra Metropolitan Assembly etwane tia kan say AMA we the bani padim de be fa ne say ama ena mpanifo den kra ta tenten ekoma de hwe won potem ho nyina mo wo shop ho ne say mo sere mo adam aban ba besi 24 hour economy edwadata ade ma de hwe mo wo Nzema market nim enti obi afa ne baga ojugu bye kofie ko ba ifufuro kwatena ene wa chenso wo de officer o shop na abetu na agene wotam na wo de sen obetumi na wo de abo wachi wuntumi nso na wa fa hyen na wo de kwakwaja kama na boa se be ya ban betumi asi 24 hour economy market sa market na chenchirenche ene ya posifo etena bia wo honom fire service wom esukufo mo friends school fiti ase wom tese ne ebenya hotel nyina hyembi wo kwa adwuma na wapon betumi akwadwade wo pese odwodwo ho kwada ekire din ubenya ba bia adwadefo do na wabegu bia ehye nyina be gina nti wenne so enti eba ne saa pe mo ba haha mo pam na pese okodi dwa na dwode so ma ya dempo a uni how because market no eye 24 hour market nti abebwa mo pam na adwadefo ne kirem say wo hwe ankrata empirifo ba da wonom ewo sana boss me neta so enan ewo mfimpim mienu ne do nsemu no wonom hwe ane mu say yankopɔ ya atomam boss ma yo me neta so do no nwotwe anko bia mefa ne bag ene ojugu baba hwe ne nyonko ne menua media miko ubekɔ bia na okɔ na nsamu chem de say no said ya kɔ ne nya de wa akopima bobroshi cargo station ewo Nzema market ho ne munyina akopim yam market bia bia konkwama for di bayre konkwama market ho ne ma wo da church of Pentecost wo fa ho ne ma ekɔ ho ne side ne nso konkwama yam market ho ne mo nso yenka nkyira mo say 24 hour economic market no ebeji ho bia ka huntia ho so ene moto ate na adwadifo na fence ntwerefo momra momia microphone ene mo nkasram kaka nkyira ba amayen omo kirem se aban wo se de yen ede ade na mra aban go patumi no wanka nkyira ye o ma yeto aba ma o kama ene yeto aba na wadi nkunim awie na baka kire se yen kwatena efufo obetu ana na aban hifa na ade afai omo se mesra aban so so obetu amode a omo na mo nka hwe ne mom adwuma mo ye na mo de bi de hwe omo yira mo ma dodo na kwaya de se bia ne kuna waja na yira waja ne nti ono nko na hwe ne bo mo free co school nti aban utu amo sana hifo na mo nkwatena kwaya adwuma na de akwa no mbedie nti aba sra aban se so opeso otu amo de a omo ne ho mbo ne se ba ko siesie bia yesunku bia ma wono makoton ade ho nom sentisa na aban pa omo se free ho no mo a ekombeku wonom omo se aban de omo de wabam sanka betu omo mpodi atie wono mo pa nanka ne wanim yada pabia sunku bi kwama wono mansa na waptu won sentisa pa de aban yi esusan wadwentu won esa tu wono ma ekombeku wonom ene wonom abusua dwadifo ne bi din sem sei ato die ensantwerefo anim
ibacho ye wo ha last week mu ena ehu se nkrofo bi aba sojafo ne empanifo omaba omo atworotworo ye stores ho ne market ya nyina ambi fo nso ka ho ye nkobusam omo se omo ma ye 2 weeks ye move free ha ye so aha ya tena ha che almost mentimi kan yes de kora almost 50 years or 40 years. Ye who be that. Na ya wahana and putupuru, Mabaka say yentua, and here I echo. And tia de Asama can say, O man penny Joma Hama. Say, and Zema, Kuroning na woman baby, station baby, Casa station, station, Yazma station. Ah, Giant show you free, Mambia, Yabaka Humbie, ye dear Jack. Yes, see your stores. Yes, see, just say a Japadi be brave. Say, Hano, a Danny Kuro, a Hadani hospital, Yawa police station, Yawosu. Ah, Giant show you free, Mambia, Yabaka Humbie, ye dear Jack. Yes, see your stores. Yes, see, just say a Japadi be brave. Say, Hano, a Danny Kuro, a Hadani hospital, Yawa police station, Yawo school, Yawa Bibia, ah, sorry, what's so about the bubuha? Say, Hina Yako, a Hina near my Yako, me too, I had messy me fear, and me Menana, you go. Now, bet to ye, a Hina Meko, and she has so man Payima Hama say, near Wakano, me pachow on train say, no, Cassam Papa Bintoya, whom I saw, you vote to man.
No, Baba Maki was short saying, she wore one puffy, I didn't know, look by a child. Well, firework ba. Keji amefe ameyaka mbafa wo. Pesa na me relocate wo kaya heku. Aha ko wo heku. Yes aka wo beni wo ti oshi wo ba aka ge shin wo fa. Aba mark wo shop side. Wo won pa fai. Isene no na ni flat there ba. Me wo bonyomo. Aka wo mo ifenfo. Aka wo ni biete wo bonyomo wa hello ni wo mpe. Ni bia na aka wo fa. Wo be ko ya wo kaja ba atona fe project wo bia. Ame locate wo kaya ko kagbe na ko na ka wa ba. If any watch ma yo. Ka o mami vice president Mami Jane won qualify ameba wawo
say o ha no mo di notice ni ba say aban say o dey have market 24-hour economy market nti ye di notice ni ba no ni week pepe na soldier for ebebu kafa ha market ha yanso na yanso ya tena for so many years wahu nti say ye friends ma ba ya na ye ba weekend no na ye ko ni following week na ya san ba ye di kubeba ye de anwa ba ye de nsan ba nti ya na ye adwuma necessary no so otu ye no ye ni ba bia ye beko
hey any Drunkers Association of Ghana because I'm modern samba inti aban nim no tu ono ma ye nuano ma mo pen sasa no mo beze ne manyi biato enti wei eye dwadifo a wonom edi ono mu dwam e wonzema market ene wa bobroshi ene awura ma kopie mu e wo konkoma mpotem kwanten ho a kwan ho pa sa wokoya market ho no aha e ho da mo kire mi se de yakro no nka ban be sa na adwan ka be o mo de enti sa nso a onkopa bia so no kunsiesie ho kama data ansana o makọ enti sa pa de ne aban sesa wadwan e mo nkire mo adwadifo de tu dwan na nimre no ya de asum ye nyina we sin kama adwan kire ne bi na yemfa ensum ye wi akase bo ne beto aso kama e de amamom enti de ese de ogina ho no hwe yi ne wa hwe ase na ana ne kunsu kodwo krom de aba na o say thank you Dr. Mahmudu Baumia is coming Kofi omode ana hwe ade ne so ma me wate na yinkofo ni firi so kra sa na aya na ana no kunsu kodwo krom de aba Dr. Mahmudu Baumia is coming to serve us mate oba be serve o twen no ampedu Isaac de aba na o say majo yetiawo na piaga de aba na o kire mi so 2028 aba yiri wo krom hanom na Bresen dansoa de aba na o say dear news no size na odo akoma e de aba nti we de be Sikapa akoma pen watu atu hwan na master plan junior kentampo communication officer Eddie Kentampo not Eddie MPP amayokoni de aba na o kire mi say fantastic news this evening keep it up the good work greeting to Honorable David Boache MPP regional secretary NFE chairman IB Bono East regional chairman still maintain and I'm what say master planner junior Kentampo communication officer Eddie Kentampo not and what they agentire Eddie Aba kasi bono ya twaso akwanim na ansa na no me basis ya.
It's official. DLFM 106.9.
Yamamo akwaba. Afi yantoa kaseyabo esom. Na yatoa kaseyabo so yebode awuremu osofo no men. Ohwe ye ne humasua eso no kura yenso no yetamali south ma hye bedwane. Oniminya volley night rusu e de adesere de ato Ghana mampeni. Berima oboada ye papa John. Drama ni Mahamani mu se osra na adam. Foto a aban bo edema mensene no aban hye bo se obapagam ede akọ ahamonje chemu enson akiripo enum de afiri ohamjichemu enum so na aboa sabeyam district assembly common fan mu beye dupam na mensen no anya sika de ye pududwuma pi na omaga na de hye so ye ho etuman han ye pam na odesade tudwa ekire mu sei ohwe ani mu sei Nyankopon ya adoma emfempem mienu ne de no sentem no Ghana man penin betimi yaboa pam na Enquires amemu a aban person ne ko ho pa no oboa na mputo mapa etimi kwaso ye mensini ye mantam nkron kitwa na dentemu no bibia konkan ede ama oman mechire metropolitan municipal and afi district assemblies no ye twedetia eka ne se MMDAs no bibia be konkan no musika sem so mankasa etimi ejina wonom enansom na oniminyafo olu na idrisu de said to dwamla na second national dialogue dwumede to dwam na mtwetwe nkomo ede afa Enquires amemu hihyepa beboa pa na mapa konkan de ama oman ana wo kire me say Ghana man penin hye boso obapa bepejam afri ohamjichemu enum ede akwakwagina ohamjichemu enson ene achipo enum enti ohwe man penin anim se ne bohye no bedi so pepe said the NDC party manifesto ne kan Ghana man penin hwe ne waye na adwen se wonye enkofa dasen pada mo motom envanishe enkohwem enkaka se alata mama ya ban sa na ne babere ye pam onimnyafo kire me say se kobasa matumi boa na district assembly common fa no pejam sana ebetimi aboa o mensene kachefo na tumi age omo ho wa mo ntwen aban so wei aban fasika ma yenti no yentimi yi yakwan sukuu dan yentimi nsi yentimi ma ade we nkoso da bi enti abatumi boa na oyense kiremu kama na otumi peja mensene futuo no mu a assemblies mpanifo betumi anya sika pi na empundudwuma hodo mo twen aban asankoma ye no wono mankase betumi anya kama ebeboa pa oman Ghana nyempuntuo dodo na yepese kɔ meamia hoto no oman ensa betumi akam o kire mi say yemfa to Ghana fu anim say se Ghana man pani tumi bɔ no homoden etu sa na mompa we moboa na nani din kuntabu achi edefa mensene mpanifu adwumadi achi a enu betumi aboa pi mensene mpanifu atuma nya sika edibi ede afa kyerefo mensene ankase mankase betumi atu amoka wo mra omuntumi mfo ha we emfa nto aban so enu achi nso ne nursefuo pia we school titifi omunya adwuma nye sabatumi boa district assembly common fan otum ne kwasoro sa na mensene mpanifu benya bi na mo de afa kyerefo akwadu so de makokyera de a omla mensene na benya sika de atu amoka wo mra mo ntwen aban enti we de beboa pa Ghana yempuntu ahwa nim se be Enquires na konkanti abamwa na ontum na onfa district assembly common fan no onfa free ohamjichemu enum ekwagina ohamjichemu enson akiripo enum oniminyafo na dusu kasaye no emunchiremu no enie.
Now the elephant in the room, district assembly common fund, and happily Harry was on the manifesto committee with me. I wanted to say this while the vice president was there because she chaired some of the session. We had said that in the NDC manifesto we will adjust the district assembly common fund from 5 to 7.5%. So as a government, we have said that increase the district assembly common fund. So Chief Director, Minister of Finance, do that for them. The NDC and the mills, district assembly common fund was 7.5%. We want to work gingerly and gradually towards same. So in 2027, you can give 1%. 2028, add another 1%, and we would have honored the manifesto pledge of an adjustment of the district assembly common fund to 7.5%. Now, President John Dramani Mahama and reset. So the president's thinking and vision on deepening democratic decentralization, including the election of MMDCs, is to dedicate that 1% increase to health decentralization and devolution, so that a metropolitan assembly can now recruit doctors and nurses on their own, just making use of that 1% allocation for health. Then the other 1% will go to education, devolution, democratic of education. So you have 5% plus 1 plus 1, 7%. This is the thinking of President Mahama. So before I leave, I'll play the president's audio on the same subject for you to be guided. And Esther Abuaji, I know I'm acknowledging you. You recall the meeting where you and the vice president chaired. These were the principles we agreed to. So we cannot be walking back on policy principles that we all agreed to, that deepen democratic decentralization, make it competitive, elective, democratic, open it up so that citizens' accountability is deepened.
Mensene penifo nya sika mapa yemfanya adwuma nsom o my Ghana ene ya woti ye tamalesa o tema hye bedwo no kran so na osoafo o my Ghana o hwe ye homasua so ne din do no nyamfo Haruna Idrisu ena mote ne nkan Ghana ni ya ba wo chen ofie honom ena so fa na men so fa na ye pinso mu da ho enti bo modern atwe ba wo phone no na ye wadwen se obefre na kire wadwen na Ghana kire ne krankro no enya me nko media wa huno enya me nko ye nyina ne ye boa na Ghana akwana ne mu firi sempeni sei wonsom aya na woni nipa enti yeba so fa na men so fa ena me se sa menwuma me de ye so fa na me ba sisi a
utuwe uwa wo yere obi so wa ne yere uwa wo mpana ni obi so wa ne mpana so mpana he dia wo mpe o yere he pa dia on bene ni ma hwe obi mpana ni odi na chi obi yere no odi na chi ye nyina ya ni brana baye ya ni brana baye ya ni brana se baye ya ni brana 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 baye
ene sanya ni bra ebeye beye bi ko mo se pa na enkomma da pono so anim ne ya do adwen kire ba ne ni nyina ne say Ghana Center for Democratic Development etwani tie kan say CDD Ghana empenifo abaka say kire mu say emfempim ne aduonu 2020 abato okoso ma nipa bi wuye bebre bepem ne Ghana mpenifo antuma hwehwem anchi nipa mu di say nyamla nsan bepem ne e kire din eno achi emfempim ne aduonu ne abato mu nso bi koso enimpa bi awu abato mu ebi apra bepem ne obi na afiase wo ho obi afa ne ho adi emma nimpa ye prepre ma de hye kunkum ma de hye no mu di ya wo manyim na se ye hwe ne ye a abato afie de ye ne mu bio no wa hwe nimpa yi ade adwom na kwohwe mu tirim se o ye kun ya de hye ne yanya hwe de ye nso enkokum bi emfa tuo ne se kan hye ho abato okwa ye enkokum nimpa ne bi na ateka atepay eno wa chi nso omu kirem se amanyofo ne dodo na atetete o mankasa akuakuo vigilantism ena omu didi nsem hunu wa Ghana hanom enti zabatu afitwa mu mpa say na no mo didi sabe nsem hunu ne ade a ye bato be mpo de so mo mfa police service enya hwe ubonse police ni jono de nsa gu nachi party ni wakwa kwahye ahoba monta de kitatuo nti no post officers ro no eba ne sa pe na Ghana ho ba monsem edasanim bedofo no mo ya adwen sa bantu ho na mo na bato wa yato yakum nipa ne yankwachi nipa mutu sa na mo ngum ana ahoma ne dem 05340 5019 059340 65 05340 5019 059340 65 Majo medafo
Ejo so over.
Hey, me wa fa se ayi ni ana
Da letter.
Oh, great we afa. Bete won ka chepa.
Na kasen.
Oh, na kasen e dia dia. E tire din.
Over.
Senior.
Na mo ajo.
Ejo so pa.
Yesi jai sa nyen jai sa ya man kaso nya man na.
David bi ja se.
Ene kukuru ni jai a kike nsu be jai.
E tire din.
Enti senka wo fa nka ya ye bibi ya chi ya tu mana yensen na ho a seven kan amanfo be jansen fu a ya o mudi no. Because e kamya ye say asuma esi ye ya nya no hwin so be ntin kwa ya na ekwe ni biribi. Nanso ye di obi atum we tutura sem bi ho a anka manjini yesenka abatu duru wanka macho men na sefo bi bitumi akokọ ballot box yenye na hwe iti wo family me ne omo ya adwen se yemma corporal punishment embra yenchi obi ntum manyensa na wo family dase
me dase pa great to have the free time no de ba ye majo me dofo
majo afa
me wa fa se me visi ni ka so a
mbacho an wa fa
ho fa me yente wa numre
wa fa Ghana die ya batu te de na nyi wo abato tambrusu na ye kope djuma ma obi papa no na obi plan e ku obi anu su ka ye de ejo fampa omuntu ana mo pa because omu didi ba kwa obi kwa ya be fro why
me da se pa won so ne yankopon entena majo
uncle na for me
ya me adu mo me efu atama me yente wa nyimire
uncle
me efu am da kwa she politank mo me srawa fimisi fom ai
Uncle, akafa banchi. Banchi, komo banchi. Edemo.
Nya botare banchi, onya common hwe na o ba kwaji asasa do wa pama na do banchi ma bo ya common.
Ediban oton okedi
Odiban onya common.
Yo, uncle, odem ibi afa brody dem. Nta abedin se ni binum wudi ewu a uncle wan chwan ibinum fa nya adusuade. Nta uncle ma no wan ya adwen. Omo modena na wanchi bi na Ifunsu ade. Madase.
Meso medase pa memefu atamanya menhire opini wadwe nkyere anyimre ede aba besom yen. Madwo kafra mo fasi ba no medika odenam no wantumi anya na nanso madwo. Hello.
Oh, hello.
Yes, I would didn't be a case free.
Oh, for 2 minutes,
champion, may enter on me.
We're not the question was send or more cano. Say, one for my name, for my dear, because any bit. This is American. Yes, lesson on my year. Now, of course, send me a police food in a hotel. Now, party members be no more year. Police will be your head or Becca. It's a company say, yeah, time no. Other parties be prepared. Into one clear and fair near the end.
Yo,
and one bed will be a Pia Kotwa, no, or the Nakuma Mukan airport.
Yo,
Namember to and Mount and Pejma Mount Papa. Now, me, I'm better to about the year, no, yes, I'm better than the account. You got saying as
I'm fighting a cramming to be Ukraine. Meda say, Yamishra Pano Adventure, next time I'm Casa Vinako from Pan, mammy feedback, my swing in Asha Shemekafra. What, Majo? Yes, I wouldn't be a Casa opening.
A family document, I do not tell me a showball.
That chairman, Seneca Sefri.
Because if you be but in town number.
Champion me into anyway.
Now can offer any credit. Now, back when the job for. Because we got to do the account for who are. Never jam it in the mouth. That's what you should. Major, so it's about 2 about the incoming MP, Michael Shiri, in summer, a couple of times, also of them, so we are there, and I be able to remember when
you're trading on. Okay, Matty will be so better on Canning. Majo Medofo.
Hello,
we didn't be a Casefri, I'm fair.
I your family held and Casef.
I offer me into anyway.
Because it's election time, not just say young boys, no, just some of the Adani in Tokana that are their own yes, Cabia film. Now the yen Tokan Tokata, into way I think.
Yeah, that's a password, gentry, Eddie Free, Ashama, and the buyer, Majo.
Yeah,
Senior, we didn't be a Casefri.
For me, a job from a brain apple.
Aguna Yakrum Central Region.
Yeah,
that's a pay me into you.
The American say, you to Nayabani in now. We go home and 20 Ghana pennies, 50 Ghana pay. When we MP, and I mean to be an Echo campaign. Dabi,
if you grant your
man, that will be the Cooper Pim. Into you, let's see any daho. So we can say, couldn't some for 7. And it was our call. And a 2. And Penufula will be the bona. And Penufu or what I eat. The person only say, Obaka say MPB. It was saying,
actually,
when you him, where you Nipano, no be a good couple will be able back once you go to body back up. On Mum Wajelino.
May I make kind Fantaman a Quansa walking about Pemane, actually, Dean, Yanton was in view. When to watch him, what you want him with him, or be one with you, would your court to Casa half an area. What no come up any name? I'm a many women. That's a mission. Mr. Medasa, a grand yakrum, Yamisha or Pada in Milwaukee and Majo. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, I would never be a Casefro penny. So home, senior may enter in free to home.
No, the bad dear.
Dear Cassing.
Now, yes, about your win at the dear, the Betty say, you won't penny for anymore. Oh, that's if you go to Swa, and no so. Now, quite said, yeah, to abandon some more banswa, not the open. More for money, one name Yankopon and Tananet catch a ratio most whom I said in the church of Munina, Ewo, Eastern region. You fire very far now, caller. Now, you're the affair for you, my dear, no Eddie, a see my jewel medal. Hello,
offer.
Hey, coffee, ma. Major do coffee now, we.
Yamia do more, me.
You can't find a
Menija Oda Emma Makolabi.
Okay.
The friend David J. Then any jail that do not friend no Suarez.
Oh,
okay. Or Shaman Diamond City.
Mate.
Over.
Yeah.
Chroma no more. We name ye security system no. So what you say? Because Obi Elokako fa Obi branch body. Ebeshin enime jeli ni be 3 years.
Govi ma, sa ayi branch ne body na mo kan ya mende mo nya dwopani kua ya na fo mo. Okọ mame abrewo bi poso pa wo kwofro ba pansa branch ne body na ba no opani enye bete o.
Ewo musa o.
Aha.
Bacho ye ni Ghana na obi kokun se ewe nremu boani bi.
Okwachi ikusie no mo che no kwa 3 years.
Yes, 3 years.
Kwa 3 years.
Very good. And so make obi ekunipa o.
Etredi.
Over. Krumu adie. Mo te se kufi mama bu mukete wako na vrongo aya na ma be hwe me.
Gwai, what's up gwai?
Na vrongo.
Mesra ya kwa Singapore mai wai na vrongo die Ghana ya. Ya men kan kufi. Enti kasebo no ye gina wo si de sinti sika ye beka mfante kakra ana mfante net ete kakra.
Dabi.
Ente hwe kra. Me wo fa say in fact ma me ye yin kasa me wo fa sa ni de Regina. Mfante ente hwe. Ye tell na ya de kakra so na nsen TikTok na gine nyina onte hwe. Enti ye nchira aguranya kurumfo ata wa ya de wori ten na nyimeri. Enwure mfante no mete pa bodu ba bia na wayo wo mfanche
se wa ukrom
kasa ma me mfante nyipi bodu ba bia na kasa no ho aye zina ma me kwatena matene kuma se me life me kada me life nyina matene kuma sa acher enwa ena say why half kuma se no waje half ena mfante na je abasere na onye we enwure me ya de kakra wo de no
Otna nkran how many years
onkra matene nkran acher nkra matene approximately 15 years ko be 20
ana obi sani we na oyefufu yi
ole fufu no and they say fufu na kondo na no kura mentene nka na yesi ya je waje mechi no we ase na wotwi mentene nka na de obi na o ntene nka so hwehwe no hu hia
I think the very last week ni
na ya je waje ya chia wa ma ya feel pa because ole fufu ni wa kaka dia ma na ade ne ya ntibio enti mechi wa ni mre wo dome pilatu ni potem ya cheche mu nyina kofin ayi sikanu mi say Safoka chire do nyumbi abawo.
Sa.
Na ye frɛ no Samano. Kana mintie?
Samano.
Aya sante kasa.
Okay.
Ya kasa Samano obi a. Asa obi a ye obone bi na anamona watu ne tia ho nti wo de na kwada mpanimfo. Na mpanimfo aka bi ama wo ho de ntome nko.
Yeah.
Enduko akwayi ebia wo hene bia akobona mane se nana. Osimesi ayam mfumso obi ntempese mo boa me na mo punish na mame. Na mo ka asa na mame ne ye ka ne se den Samano. Enti se no. Se ne ye kire mu a Kristofo nyina mo hwe na obi a modua bio. Duabo wonne to nkwata ma pa bi se Nyankopon mpe. Enti se obi tete wa ye den Samano e ma Nyankopon asa. Sika se wate ase.
Enche.
Wo se? Dabi. Oda Samano ma no. Wo Samano ma ne pe ne wagya ma na wayi unsefre ho. Ohun tokwa akwan Nyankopon ye den. Onko bi ma. He says, let us in town, no, your friend is some man, or best idea, or better Massam. Would they own him? Radia. I mean, Radia, me ba.
Ladies and gentlemen, so forget you, what kind of movie was it? Oh, some person say, what? Some man, no man, Swati asi. Otamfo peso gu eni mwasi. Sama no menyami nedi. Obeye. Obekama obeye. Yami bidiama obeye. Bidiama obeye. Fire mpaibo obeye. Ya country obeye. Ejuma semi obeye. Awari semi obeye. Sika semi ya obeye. Faun semi ya obeye. Influence you moduya. Oh, some person say what? Sama no menyami nedi. Otamfo person wogu ani mwase. Sama no menyami nedi.
Enti so otamfo person ogu ani mwase asama ne manyame na ye din sika fi wate ase. Enti afi we ye gya ye ho mo bi anwe ani mwase.
Dabi.
We waju so be kwati enye pe ne asama wa ye den ama nyame ne ye ten ba bia ye den e kire din. Enye no. Eno ano nti sofo ka kire. Sofo ka kire do afense sofo condemn. No the latest one bi e dia bai na kasi ya bo no ansan be bu ni komu no DJ ba dia ba say Nyankopon ya dom na busua Nyankopɔn gusu hyira wɔn pa na baako nhyira bafie ne nyina ne sɛ aduane busua mo wɔ atem kyerepɔn ɛwɔ akuapem apie mantemu wɔnom ɛto nsa ɛde afrɛ yɛ nyinaa sɛ Nyankopɔn ayɛ adom a wɔmɔde hyepɔn Daniel Kwasi Amo Wasafo hene Nyame ayɛ adom dibira ne nsɛm bɛka nie wɔn ba besi ne den Wasafo hene meboa ɛno ano no enti we de yɛbɛsrɛ mo ada ahinse yɛbɛsoe medɔfo yi ɛyɛ busua yankom bɛba panti aduana abusua wɔn mo wɔ atem kyerepɔn ɛwɔ akuapem ɛto nsa frɛ wo sɛ twede ya mpɔn Nyankopɔn yɛ adom a dwuma de bɛtɔ dwa ɛwɔ sana bosom de ta so tumienu ɛwɔ mfempem mienu ɛne aduonu ensia emu bɔbɔde asa obɛba ɔho na bibia tima yɛ kama ɛkyena pɛ ɛkyena hu ɛkyena dua ya ɛyɛ ɛkyena ukuada ɛna dwuma de we bɛtɔ dwa ɛwɔ atem kyerepɔn ɛwɔ akuapem bɔmɔde ana bra na bibia nkɔnka na bɛtɔ dwa ɛwɔ atem kyerepɔn ɛyɛ ahemfie hɔ no ma no dwuma de bɛtɔ dwa date no ɛyɛ 12 August 2026 anopa nondu pɛ 10 o'clock am na busua tenase bomode ana bra ye twa wansa na osafo hene yesi efise ba wo ba no besom eye atam krodua no ene ekuapema nyina de bomode ana bra na nyina yemfa odo sonko enkota ye nua be ma ne din de Daniel Kwasi Amo echefise yo no a enanka ujanjibire yakọ beba pa DJ Afibo ya dwuma DLFM 106.9 ena ma ye den ka gbe eba ye ebesam montika se bɔ ne ye de asi emusamufo ne ye Miss Mabel antwene se mu ma ho fedua no ne ho afa brutam ese mu ma ye na champion tailor de ekopie mu ewo Facebook ena fi yiti makase bɔ no wonya bi hwe wa be fonten akase ne so no ache no ena me wo fa se Emmanuela osanya ako akete ebo akase bɔ demo ena biu me wo fa se ba ne ho afa obroni amnado wo hu na se som wa hu no kwatɔ ye de na to nkwan mu pen sana ne kala ne tie no ho efe pa ne den adam wafa se ba Regina Bafo ebo akase bodam mu ene oche na kenkafo benu eba na sa ye ba na DJ Zigby wadi ka chinchim kasefre mfuma de asome deda akenkafo ne yetu benu edi ameje so ye wo for se ade one at Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B ma wutedin ene bantwere bona na watafri jam ne mo wafa se ba
Adjoa Agyei Sikapa
nti ye kwa no hwan na eba
DJ Afiba
international DJ enyum na ode ba na na minim Afiba enanyo no wonam hen daddy ni ba bia on what the fra say highlife papa bi bom fra nti radio no mfa ansa nka mesra don saka pe aban be chew from now to 10 p.m. owie pe DJ Zigby beto aso Zigby ba beto aso akopem sa ade be che radio ni de ye omo de ya to am omo ne ade a chia ne enso ya beje nti e kire din madam fo ba ko oyade pa na yanchia ayi Mr. George and in fact mewe ya ponchia che na ne isika agi yensem na yekodu ono mo na hohwe Emmanuel senya akohu aponche na yadwetwa gu ade mu na ohwedi na ose Nhyira mewura ho me lifetime hu bi da aponche pa na yadwetwa na magum na me wofa si yi aponche na yi na ebo ho mienu no na bona no
Mori wi afi na mo be ka kire
what's that
yede moko aye na moko to sa point wo ho matna sia
wonim anopa omode fried rice buy mama mantem ne manya bi
amantem da no misi ase ho ani e de jo
now so you den I like the word we see now you den we see what they say dua wa hu nipa we see what
dem meli so te me na o ma che me te ho no ade ne fa me su na buy ma che mu wi a no mama be ka kira me dem ye
e dey see and what for you na se pon ye hu nsem wo tim
me se
sama ye manya me asa sama ye
adwa ha na me kura shemi
yo na na ya dem kwadi fufuo hoyi na nka ho da be na se me kasa ya se wo ni Taylor ene Zigby kwadi fufuo ni same day
da bia no ya birthday eno ya me ne besi ma birthday
na no se yeso ya ni bi
da bi
na se ba na mo ke
da bi okwadwo eno nya adwene eno de ya se da ka kire mu nyina aha
Daddy kwa one beji
ya se da invite mu nyina
me ma
one beji ma sa Afiba ne Bismarck birthday one beji ma
oh yeah na matukwan
yes ya se da invite mu nyina Mona mama ba we dia
me ni fufu enti man
we ye secret and confidential
na wo be ka
you na mo say twa de tag yen
yo
wahu
ba bele na me wa fa sana wura ho Emmanuela na wera ko be say ote hu say na nsuo krakra me say ados nhira na nam we pa me bi enti samaye e be hawa samaye manyame
ti we no ma cheduane ni
me you afrim yeah ma fodi yafia
we say me mu papa
1 minute e o
yeah 8 man we are no about ahon fe when did you
Hitman so die ni o didi pada no we na bet na ho fe net say ono wa me no
be say ho fe say na me wa ha na Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi ka de kam nipa no oje ne manu e be say ti agiane no o fe she fridge mo wi wa microwave bi
woni ma de ba kwa ma ne ya akono pa ye na ye ba no ho ana boat na ye odade ba ye no sana driver no so ye obi a sana me padi ofili me pa ka prekura wanye yen na o ka kire say ye didi afili o san ma air condition ye san bom from a pafa mu enti ye chia no me we afini den o se wo ye friend say abrekuma side ho ti shenkani ade ba afie no o ma ko fili fa mu didi me zigibi di fufu nto abe 9 ene ya ponche ene nam ahodo ne malt ni Guinness ye de kan ho am enti nyame nhira no shenkani ade ba o ma air condition bo fa mu a wenye ye hwe no wo fa me chiwa nim me refill din enti me kaya me kan
me okay
na ye kwani na wudi mo ye kwani wudi mo ye time aso ye soro nko ye kwani wudi mo enti wonte ase a sama yen DJ afiba na eba yakra mo ana wa se mo fro kan soro kofie